So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now. And then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now we're going to type in dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete that scan, now you want to type in chkdsk space c space /f space /r, and then click on enter. And now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now for the next step, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So now I'm going to restart my computer, but keep on watching. It's now restarting. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load. It's now going to start running the scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows, and this should now fix your problem.